Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up C++ on Visual Studio Code on Windows and Mac. First, let's see how to do it on Windows. We will use MinGW64 compiler for this. Open your web browser and go to www.winlibs.com. Now scroll down until you reach the release versions section. Under UCRT runtime, download the latest GCC with POSIX Threads version in the form of zip archive. POSIX Threads version will provide more compatibility with other operating systems compared to MCF Threads version. Remember, if you have 32-bit Windows, choose the Win32 version. Otherwise, choose the Win64 version for 64-bit Windows. After downloading the file, extract the file as shown on screen. Now, open the extracted file and copy the MinGW64 folder present inside it. Paste the folder in the main drive, in this case the C drive. Then, open the MinGW64 folder. Right-click on bin folder and select Copy as Path. Now, open the Start or Search menu and type Edit System, Environment Variables to open it. Next, click on Environment Variables, then click on Path. Click on New option and paste the path we previously copied. Click OK, OK, and again OK. Now restart your computer. Open command prompt and type gcc space -- version. As you can see, we have successfully installed MinGW64 C++ compiler. Now we have to install Visual Studio Code. For this, open the web browser and go to code.visualstudio.com. There, click on Other Platforms option. Here choose x64 option for 64-bit Windows users, x86 for 32-bit Windows users and ARM64 for Windows on ARM users. Make sure you download the user installer version. Open the file and proceed with the installation as shown on screen. Make sure that Add to Path option is selected along with others. Now, open Visual Studio Code. Install the following extensions. First, C++ extension pack. Second, better C++ syntax. And third, Code Runner. Go to the Code Runner extension settings, enable Run in Terminal option. Now close Visual Studio Code and restart your computer. After restarting, open Visual Studio Code. Click on Explorer, open folder. Here, create a new folder for storing C++ files and select it. After that, click on the New File button and give a name to the file. Make sure to end the file name with the extension .cpp. Go to File menu and click Autosave for automatic saving. Type your code. Then click on Run icon, Run Code option. Congratulations! C++ on Visual Studio Code on Windows is now set up and ready to go. Next, let's see how to do it on macOS. First, open terminal and type xcode-select space -- install. This will install the command line developer tools. After that, we have to install Visual Studio Code. For this, open the web browser and go to code.visualstudio.com. Download the file. Then extract the file and transfer the application to the Applications folder. After that, open Visual Studio Code. And install the same extensions we did before in Windows. Then, click on Explorer, Open Folder. Here, create a new folder for storing C++ files and select it. After that, click on the New File button and give a name to the file. Make sure to end the file name with the extension .cpp. Go to File menu and click Autosave for automatic saving. Type your code, then click on Run icon, Run Code option. Congratulations! C++ on Visual Studio Code on Mac OS is now set up and ready to go. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.